So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can set a channel on your Discord server as inactive. You can set it for a particular time period. Also you can do the same process from your smartphones as well. If you don't have a PC, in smartphone you need to install the application of Discord. Either it could be on iOS or the Play Store on Android. So first of all, let me open the Discord on my Windows PC. Now this is the home page. You all have been familiar with this. And now you can do the same process on web versions also. So first of all, you need to, on the most left window, first of all select the server of which you want to make these settings. For example, if I select this server, now here you're gonna see all the channels below the name of the full name of the server. Now here you have to just simply right click on the full name of the server. When you do that, you're gonna find an option of server settings. Just simply click there. Now here on the first window you're gonna see the option of inactive channel. You're gonna see currently it says no inactive channel. When you click there, you're gonna see all the channels that are available for you. First of all, select the voice channel that you want to set as inactive. For example, if I select this channel, now here I have to set the inactive timeout. Once I select it, for example, if I want to make it inactive for 15 minutes, I just simply hit this and hit save changes. Once you do that, now you're gonna see after 15 minutes the server is going to be inactive. This particular channel is going to be inactive. So after 15 minutes all the people are going to be automatically disconnected. So by this method you can easily set a server as inactive timeout. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.